What if I told you that you could save 10, 20, or even 30 hours of work every single month? No, I'm not talking about hiring an assistant. I'm talking about using a free tool you probably already have open in another tab. You're an entrepreneur. You're doing it all. You're the sales team, the marketing department, customer service, and the one who locks up at night. You feel like technology is moving at lightning speed, and artificial intelligence sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. You see others talking about ChatGPT and think, that's not for me. I don't have time to learn it, or it must be super complicated. That way of thinking, it's costing you money. Today we're going to demystify ChatGPT. I'll walk you through it step by step with real-world examples so you can see how this tool can become your best employee. An employee who works 24/7, never asks for vacation, and is bursting with ideas. Forget technical tutorials. This is for you, quick, practical, and to the point. Your personal email assistant. Let's start with something that eats up everyone's time. Emails. Picture this. A potential client asks you for a detailed proposal. Normally, that would take you half an hour to draft. Now watch this. We're going to give it a command, or as it's called here, a prompt. A prompt is essentially an instruction, question, request, or text you give to an AI program to generate a result. The secret to achieving your goal is providing context. Look. Act as a sales expert from a digital marketing agency. Draft a professional and persuasive email for a potential client named Carlos from the company Zapatos Veloz. Offer our social media management services, highlighting how we can boost their online visibility and attract more customers. Mention that our basic package costs €250 per month. Use a friendly yet professional tone. And voila! In under 10 seconds, we have an almost perfect draft. All you have to do is review it, tweak a few details, and send. Think about all the emails you write, follow-ups, complaints, thank you notes. Now you can have a high-quality first draft in seconds. Your first task, find an email you need to send and try having ChatGPT write it for you. The infinite idea machine. Do you ever stare at a blank screen unsure of what to post on your social media? Creative block is real, but it doesn't have to be your problem anymore. ChatGPT is an endless source of ideas. The trick here is to be specific. Don't just ask it for marketing ideas. Ask for something concrete for your business. For example, I am the owner of a small artisan bakery in a neighborhood in Madrid. Give me 10 ideas for Instagram posts that are visually appealing and will generate engagement. Include ideas for photos, caption texts, and some relevant hashtags. Look at this wonder. It doesn't just give you ideas, it structures the content for you. Photo of the baker kneading the day's bread. Short video showing how we fill our chocolate croissants. Poll. What's your favorite bread for breakfast? This works for any industry. A lawyer can ask for blog ideas, a physical therapist for short videos with tips, a consultant for a LinkedIn post. No more wondering what to publish. The heavy document summarizer. You receive a 50-page report, a market study, a super long article a colleague recommends. Who has time to read all that? Exactly. Nobody. Now you can simply copy the text from that document, or even a link if it's online, and ask ChatGPT to do the grunt work. The key is to ask for the format you need. Summarize the following text into 5 key points using simple and direct language. The summary should be easy to understand for someone who is not an expert on the topic. End with the main conclusion of the document. And there you have it. In seconds, the main ideas are extracted and ready for you to make decisions. You can ask for a summary, a list of pros and cons, the most important points, whatever you need. This is pure gold for analyzing competitors, understanding new trends, or simply staying up to date without losing hours reading. The Master Productivity Prompt, your game changer. All right, you've seen how to use it for separate tasks. Now, we're going to put it all together. This is the trick professionals use to get the most out of it. I call it the master productivity prompt. Imagine you want to launch a small campaign for your business. We're going to ask ChatGPT to act as our marketing director. Watch this. Act as an expert digital marketing strategist, specializing in small businesses. I'm launching a promotion for my business, an online specialty coffee shop. The promotion is a 20% discount on all Colombian origin coffees during the first week of August. Your task is to create a complete launch plan. I need 3 catchy email subject lines to announce the campaign to my subscriber list. The full text for an email explaining the promotion and creating urgency. 5 ideas for Instagram posts, including text and a description of the image or video to create. A short script, 30 seconds, for an Instagram reel showcasing the coffees. 2 pre-written responses for frequently asked questions that customers might have, such as, how long does the offer last? And does the discount apply to shipping? Do you see the power of this? It's not just one task, it's an entire project. You're giving it a role, a clear context, and a list of specific tasks. With a single click, you've just generated a whole week's worth of marketing work. This is the real game changer. It's not about asking it for small things, it's about delegating entire projects. It's having a strategist at your disposal, instantly. Today, you've taken the first step. You've seen that ChatGPT isn't the future, it's the present. And it can be your best ally for saving time, reducing stress, and growing your business. If you found value in this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop your questions and comments below. Your engagement fuels our drive to keep creating high-value content for you. We'll see you in the next AI business video.